And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create and deploy a Lambda function from Visual Studio. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, let us know how to create a AWS Lambda project for detecting image labels. So first, just launch Visual Studio 2022 and choose create a new project. So after you've done that, just simply select AWS as platform. So select AWS Lambda project right here. Shown in the photo. So after you've done that, just enter the Lambda Lab for project name and simply choose the create button and choose the next button. So on the select blueprint screen, just find and select the detect image labels blueprint and simply choose finish. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can create a project here or Lambda project in Visual Studio. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.